Welcome my viewers and subscribers. In this video, I'm going to teach us how to apply liquid wallpaper. Liquid wallpaper is an environmentally friendly natural wall covering made from silk, cellulose, and decorative mineral additives that is applied like a plaster to create a seamless wallpaper-like finish. When you see this silk plaster, you see what is applying here. You will know that silk plaster is applied by mixing the dry ingredients with water and then spreading the wet mass onto walls and ceiling. You can also apply it on outside walls with trowel. This material is known of being a do-it-yourself friendly product that hides imperfections and offers acoustics and heat insulation and can easily be repaired. If you watch in this video, the first thing you need to do when you want to apply liquid wallpaper, the first thing you need to do is you mix your liquid wallpaper in a bucket. You fetch some amount of water, add your gum, then take the liquid wallpaper that is in a sachet, put it inside, turn it very well. When it's wet and well turned, you bring it out and start applying it on the wall. You can see the way it's been applied. You fetch some portion of it with the help of the plastic trowel. If you need all this plastic trowel, liquid wallpaper, we have it in quantum. You can also apply this liquid wallpaper on your exterior walls. This one you are seeing now is being applied on exterior walls. You can apply it there. Fire does not catch it. Water does not spoil it. Liquid wallpaper is your future technology for painting. If you are into painting, if you're a painter and you've not mastered how to apply liquid wallpaper, you just need to call this number 080-39-31-63-69 or 0810-3871-493 so that you master the act, because this is the future of painting. Do you understand? And if you are into this painting process and you want to learn how to produce this liquid wallpaper, you can as well chat this number on WhatsApp. We can help you with the formulation if you want to start producing the liquid wallpaper. But the main thing now is to learn how to apply it. Join our YouTube membership program. You will have a lot of things to learn from there. We have some formulas there that you can learn. At least join the decorative paint group. When you join the decorative paint group, you will have access to some decorative painting formulas. This is liquid wallpaper. You can see this one too. This one is liquid wallpaper. We apply this one on exterior walls. You don't have issue with water. You can repair it. You can maintain it. If you have any issue, you can even do maintenance on it without even buying another one. Do you understand? This is liquid wallpaper. If you're a painter and you're interested to master this act, chat me on WhatsApp 080-39-31-63-69. If you need this liquid wallpaper, we have it in different colors. We have, if you need it, if you need 100,000 pieces of it, we have it in bulk. Chat me today so that you can get this liquid wallpaper. This is the future of painting, liquid wallpaper. Our own has a very wide spread, unlike other products. These our products can cover 10 square meters. In one bag can cover 10 square meters. Chat me on WhatsApp so that you can master the act of liquid wallpaper. Understand? You can see those ones we did. You can see how beautiful they are. Do you understand? We have it in every color. Understand? Every color, any color of your choice, you must have it, because we have up to 200 different shades of this liquid wallpaper. Thank you for watching. Make sure you join our YouTube membership program. We have more than 200 and something videos, educating videos to help you improve in your painting skills. Thank you for watching. See you there. Mazi Pascal is the account YouTube membership program. Thank you for watching.